Big D. Only Big D. Big D. Eat. Eat. Food is good for the soul, it's good for the brain, and it's good for the whole body.
Hello lovelies, I welcome you once again to Sandra's Real Life. Today we are here to prepare cookies and also pie with Sister Ifua. Sister Ifua, say hi.
Hello.
So
Hi.
what are you preparing today?
We are preparing meat pie and cookies.
Okay, so very soon you see the video on this channel. We already have cookies video on this channel, but a lot of people requested for measurement. So right now we have it here on this channel, so please watch it. But I'll be dropping the video one by one. I'll first drop the cookies, then later I drop the pie, or either way I'll drop the pie first before the cookies. Thanks so much, Stefia. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Guys, there's nothing easy on this earth. Just look at me at the corner suffering. You know, Sister Ifua had a lot of tasks to perform, so she asked me to do this for her, to do the creaming for her. Guys, I said, oh, I can do it, just give it to me. And then she brought the ladle and the bowl. This is margarine and sugar. Okay, yes, this is 2 kilograms of margarine and also half kilogram of sugar. So I started creaming. I said, wow. Then I started sweating. It wasn't an easy thing, but gradually I started picking up. But later on, Sister Ifua came in to help. Said, Madam, you are suffering, you know, you are suffering, let me help you out. Guys, it's not easy at all. That's why they have creaming machine in the market, so you can get yourself a creaming machine. That one is easier. Okay, we are still creaming. The madam herself came to continue. It's not an easy job. A whole work. It's a whole work. You know, she said you have to continue creaming until it becomes very soft, very fluffy. Okay? Yeah. We are almost done though. I tried my best. We are almost done.
Yes, you try your best. Now we have the creamy margarine, our nutmeg.
Okay.
This one is food color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And we have milk here.
Okay.
And we have the flour.
Okay.
And this one is flavor.
Flavor. Oh, okay.
The powdered one.
Okay.
I don't use the liquid one, I use this one.
Okay.
Okay, so we will.
And the flour.
Yes, and this is the flour.
Okay.
So I will first put the nutmeg inside.
Okay.
Just 1 spoon.
Okay, 1
Just
spoon.
to have the flavor.
Okay. 1 tablespoon or teaspoon?
Oh, this one is tablespoon.
Was it full?
It's half.
Okay, so it's teaspoon.
Yeah, teaspoon.
Okay.
Then you mix it.
Okay, now we are adding the milk.
We are adding the milk. I will not use all. I will use half.
Okay. Depending on the quantity you are preparing.
Yeah.
So can you use powdered milk?
Okay, we can use.
Okay.
It's the same as this one, so you can use. Yeah. I'm mixing it. Because of its powder, I mix it.
Okay, the
Flavor powder.
The flavor powder.
Yes.
Okay, we need to mix it with water.
Yes.
Okay.
I add the food color.
Okay.
Not much.
The flavor powder and the food color. Is it optional?
Oh, yes. If you are eating it at home, but you are going to sell it, that's why we add the food color.
Okay.
So that it will be an attractive.
Okay.
That's why we use. But you can use the flavor powder. You can put it inside when you are coming to start to clean. You can use it.
Okay.
But as for me, there I use.
You melt it
before I put it inside.
Okay. I didn't see salt here. Are you going to add salt?
No, you will not add salt because the margarine is already salted.
Salty, yeah.
Yes. Okay, Now we are putting in the flour. I measured 3 kilograms.
Okay.
Yes.
The bowl is small, so we want to change it.
Yes. I'm using my hands.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So cookies, you don't add water in?
No. We don't add water. Because there is water inside. That's why you have to cream it so that it will be
Fluffy or light? The margarine is too much, so she's going to add extra 1 kg of flour. Then it will be 4 kg of flour, 2 kg of margarine, then half kg of sugar. Now everyone has reduced the intake of sugar.
Let me find some.
So this one is giving a design?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This one is design roller.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is design roller.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how it looks on the cookies. Okay. And let's see the shapes. I can see you have different kind of shapes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this is styrofoam, and this is heart. Okay, nice. Now just look at me in action, okay? Just look at me doing everything. I'm also showing my skills here. Can you see that? Yes, I'm giving out the shapes. I'm giving out the shapes. Yes, yes. Yeah. The cookies is already in the oven, and this is going to be baked for like 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, it should be ready by then. It is finally ready. It is ready, and I'm going to taste with you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's taste together, okay? I'm finally done and leaving. Stay for. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you guys. I want to taste it for you to see. You know, I ate some over there, but right now I'm in my house. I brought some to my kids, so I want to taste it with you so that you know how it tastes, man. You know, it's simple. You can just prepare some. It tastes so good. It came out perfect. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share our videos. This is a simple recipe that I can prepare some at home, or at least if you don't prepare some, you know what you eat from outside. Thank you so much. This is Sandra, and this is my life. Thanks.
Thank you for watching.